Welcome to my channel. From now we are starting data science. Data science is applying science to data, analyzing data and making decisions. For example, consider the case of self-driving cars. A self-driving car is driving without any driver, right? It's automated. So what is actually happening is that these cars are collecting live data from sensors, including cameras, lasers, etc., to create a map of its surroundings, and based on which it is taking decisions like when to speed up, speed down, overtake, or turn. So, what is happening here is that we have applied science to data. Our machine, here, car, is trained in such a way that it can take decision on its own, and this is possible with the help of data science, which is using maths, programming languages, machine learning algorithms to and helping the car to take its own decision. Okay, so next consider the example of weather forecasting. Here what is happening is that data from ships, aircrafts, satellites, etc. are collected and analyzed to build models which will forecast weather and also help in predicting the occurrence of any natural calamities. So here with the help of data science we are doing predictive analytics. So data science is a mix of various tools, algorithms, machine learning principles to discover hidden patterns from the raw data. We are analyzing data and making decisions. So, uh, uh, the data scientist also does exploratory data analysis and uses machine learning and advanced algorithms to identify the occurrence of a particular event in the future. So data scientists make decisions and predictions using decision science and machine learning. So in order to learn data science, what are the things we need to have good knowledge of? Okay, so first thing is that we should have a good knowledge of one of the programming language, right? So programming language, okay, so you can use Python, R, Java, okay, but I will be doing here the things in Python. Okay, so you can use any one of the below language, but Python is generally preferable because of its libraries, right? For example, suppose to implement any particular machine algorithm, if 200 lines of code is required in Java, then because of the Python's libraries, that work can be done in 20 lines of code only. Okay, so I will be creating a separate playlist for learning Python programming language. Okay, as we are all here beginners. So because of the machine learning and deep learning libraries in Python, it's very preferable. Okay, so next thing that is very important is maths. We will be using the concept of maths and we will implement these maths using our programming language. Okay, so in maths, linear algebra, differential calculus, differential equations will be used in many algorithms. Okay, then you have matrix multiplication concept used. All the machine learning and deep learning algorithms are based on these concepts. Okay, next is a good knowledge of statistics is required. So these things, mean, median, mode distribution, Gaussian distributions, we must have to understand all these things. Okay, so these concepts will we see all these things. Okay,